Hello friends, in today's episode we'll test and review the best plant identification app by testing it on some of my garden plants from easy level to difficult level and then finally calculate its accuracy in identifying plants. At the end of this episode there is a giveaway of 10 VIP or Pro subscriptions of this app. All that's coming up. Before we start the actual test, we must know the importance of identifying a plant and its family. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, this information is crucial for proper care and management of a plant. And misidentification of a plant can sometimes bring potentially serious consequences and might even lead to death of a plant. Today's video is sponsored by Picture This, an Android and iOS app that claims accuracy of up to 90%, which is great. You can download and install this app from Android Play Store or from iOS App Store. Now we will test this app for accuracy by testing few plants in our garden and then give 2 points for each correct identification. But before that, let's quickly glance at some great features of this app. The advanced artificial intelligence and deep learning technology of this Picture This app can quickly scan the plant and recognize the plant almost instantly within seconds. This is so important, especially if you're visiting a nursery to purchase some plants for your home and garden. I've discussed these nursery buying tips in a detailed video. You can check that from an end screen link after this video. Well, this app not only identifies the plant but also provides more details about the plant, like the plant care tips, its genus or family, planting time, bloom time, watering and sunlight requirements, and many other details which are very useful for any gardener. It also displays a gallery of additional images and even videos of the plant and maintains a record of your collected plants for future reference. It also has some other features like locating the identified plant distribution on Google Map. Then it also has got community tab to learn by discussing and sharing of plant pics and tips. And moreover, they have an exclusive support and care for their members. Having said that, now let's start testing this app and find out its accuracy. We'll test few plants and give 2 points for each successful identification and finally calculate its accuracy as a percentage. Let's begin with our first plant, Coleus. Just point your camera at the plant leaves and shoot. There you go. Correct identification. Plus 2 points. You can also scroll to read other details like care tips, classification, more images and other stuff. Now let's try on a common plant like hibiscus. Just point and shoot. There you go. Plus 2 points. That's easy. Now the next one, garden rose. Just point and shoot, and that's alright. It has identified this as a miniature rose. That's okay. So we'll give plus 1 point. Now the next plant, Ficus benjamina or weeping fig. Just point and shoot. There you go. Plus 2 points. That's perfect. Well, now the next one, Sansevieria or the snake plant. Just point and shoot. There you go. Plus 2 points. That's perfect. Well, now the next one, Anthurium plant. Point and shoot. There you go. Correct. Plus 2 points. Now the next one, Kalanchoe thyrsiflora. Just point and shoot. Oops, wrong answer. This is a failure. 0 points. Now the next one, donkey's tail or sedum plant. Point and shoot. This is great. Plus 2 points. Now the next one, mother of thousands. Point and shoot. And there you go. Plus 2 points. Perfect results. Now the next one, Euphorbia millie or Christ thorn. Point and shoot. There you go. Plus 2 points. Perfect. Now the next one, Poinsettia. This may be difficult because the leaves are not red colored as unlike in winter. Let's see. There you go. Wow, this is perfect. Plus 2 points. Now the next one, Rubber plant, just point and shoot. There you go, plus 2 points. This was shot in low light condition but still got full points. Well, now the next one. Vinca or periwinkle, just point and shoot. There you go, plus 2 points. Now the next one. Plumeria or the Nag Champa, just point and shoot. There you go, plus 2 points. Now the last one. A Kalanchoe variety, just point and shoot. Here it is, plus 2 points. Done. So now let's total our results. We got 27 points out of 30. That means an accuracy of 90%. That's really awesome for any artificial intelligence software or an app. You can download or install this app from links given in the description below. We'll also give away 10 Pro or VIP subscriptions of this app to our paid members absolutely free of cost. If you want to be a Pro member, please click on the join button at our channel page. Please like, share and comment below with your feedback and queries. Consider subscribing if you're new to this channel. Happy gardening!